Hey guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys haven't been to my channel before, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon beside it for a notification every time I post. Also, please smash that like button. It makes me really happy when you do, so yeah. So guys, today's video is a requested video. It is my skincare night and morning routine. I thought I'd share it with you guys since you all wanted it. Right now I'm filming my nighttime tutorial. It is currently 21. Oh, how did they do this? Okay, this is not gonna work. Oh, there we go. It is currently 21:58 and we're just gonna get into it. So I hope you don't mind, but today's video is going to be a voiceover. I thought it would just be easier for me to do with a voiceover so that I could just do it step by step for you guys and make it a little bit clearer exactly what I do. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we're just going to start by putting our hair back and wrapping the front of our hair with this headband that I got from Pennies in a pack of 2 for €4. This is just to keep all the hairs off our face while we continue with our skincare routine. So here's the lovely array of products that we'll be using today. We're just going to start by taking a regular cotton pad, like so, and adding a few squirts of the Nivea Micellar Cleansing Water onto that just to take away the makeup and the oil and dirt build up on our face from throughout the day. All products used in today's video will be linked in the description below if you want to check them out. So guys, we're now just going to take our Nivea cleansing milk. I like to use this for my eye area because it is for sensitive skin. I just feel like it's very gentle on the eyes and doesn't sting like some cleansers do. So just spreading that little squeeze that I put on the cotton pad around, we're just going to take it, rub it across our eyes very gently. I know it looks like I'm absolutely digging into them here, but I'm not. It's just very, very gentle motions just to make sure I get all that eye makeup off. So we're next just going to take this cleansing pad that I bought in Primark or Pennies for €6 for a pack of 3. One side is more rough for an exfoliating cleanse while the other is softer, and the one we're going to use today. So we're just going to start by dipping that in some warm water and wringing it out fully. This is going to act as a water base for our face before applying any more cleansers. So we're just going to take that mitt and wipe it all over our face, again just to wet our face before applying that cleanser. So we're just going to take our Nivea 2-in-1 cleanser and toner. This is for normal and combination skin. Just a small squeeze onto the hands, rubbed between the two and applied to our face. I like to apply in either back and forth motions or circle motions. I feel like it gives the best cleanse with this cleanser. I'm next just going to take the second of those cleansing mittens. I have them already soaked in lukewarm water, just ready to take off all that cleanser like I'm doing now. I like to be very, very gentle with these as we don't want any tugging or pulling of the skin. It increases the rate of wrinkles as we grow older. Also like to wipe up my neck rather than down, again to stop that tugging and pulling. My skin is now makeup free thanks to those previous cleansers. I would normally use the Apri Apricot Scrub now to exfoliate my face, but since it's not exfoliating day, I won't be using it. So we're going to move on to my Neutrogena cleanser for oily skin, which helps prevent breakouts. And again, back to the first of our pads just to dampen the face before applying this cleanser. So we're now just going to take 2 pumps, which is clearly very fake because I've already got it on and just forgot to film it. And I wasn't wasting anything. This stuff is expensive. So again, just applying that to our face in the back and forth motions and or circular motions, making sure we apply it most to the areas that get breakouts. For me it is my chin and jawline, my forehead and the middle of my face, focusing on my T-zone. So we're just going to go back in with that mitten to take this cleanser off my face. You'll see me dipping into the bowl of lukewarm water I have in front of me. This is just to ensure that I'm using fresh water to take off the cleanser and to ensure the cleanser is taking off my face fully. So with our face still wet from taking off the previous cleanser, I'm going to take this Pore Balance Anti-Blackhead Stick. I'll just zoom you guys in so you can see the little micro beads. So we're just going to rub this into our face very gently in circular motions. We don't want to strip the skin of its natural oils. I know I said I wasn't exfoliating today, but I had to try this new stick out. So jumping right along, I'm going to take another one of those cleansing mitts in lukewarm water and wipe this off my face very gently, ensuring that I get everywhere and reach into all nooks and crannies of my face. So I'm just going to pat my skin dry with a dry cleansing mitt, the third one from our pack of 3. So I would normally use this number 7 Youthful Oil, but since I've run out, we're just going to have to use just the moisturiser. So taking 2 pumps of this E45 moisturiser into our hands, we're just going to rub it between the two and apply it to our base very gently. This concludes our nighttime routine. I'll see you in the morning, guys, for the morning steps. So now that it is the morning, I've just got out of the shower. I'm doing my skin routine really quickly as I get ready for school. So I'm going to start by taking the Neutrogena cleanser for the oily skin to prevent the breakouts. So we're just going to take one of those cleansing mitts that's nice and wet with that lukewarm water yet again, and just quickly apply this to our face nice and gently. Now Now taking the cleanser again, we are just going to take another 2 pumps, this time actually 2 pumps, and we're just going to rub that between our hands and apply it straight to our skin. Again in back and forth motions and circular motions, making sure we get into every nook and cranny of the face. Again, this part is very self-explanatory, just taking a mitten and rubbing it in lukewarm water. We're just going to wipe all that cleanser off our face, very gently as always. Now we're just going to take one of those cotton pads, and again using our Nivea cleansing milk, a small squeeze of that onto the cleanser, moved around by the squishing motion that I like to use. We're just going to apply this to our face. Again, it being a sensitive skin product, I just feel like it cools the skin, especially in the mornings when your face is naturally puffy. Then just taking the E45 moisturizer, rubbing that around our face. We just take 2 pumps of that, making sure our skin is lovely and moisturized for the day ahead. If you like this video, guys, please let me know by getting in contact with me through any of my social medias. I love getting feedback from you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.